My name is Clint Takeo. I'm studying chemical engineering at the University of Bradford. Here at the Green, we have townhouses and en-suites to choose from. This means in the townhouse, you get your own room, but you have to share the bathroom with one other person that's living right next to you. Whereas in the en-suite, you get your own room and the bathroom is actually inside your room. I would say the room is spacious, for sure, but you also have a decent sized bed, 3/4 bed, a very long study table, a lot of space to store your books, and a lot of space to store your luggage. And I would also say the wardrobe is probably bigger than most wardrobes. Other than the rooms, you also have the kitchen. It's a big kitchen for the townhouses and a smaller kitchen for the en-suites because there are more people in the townhouse than in the en-suites. And so I would say you have a facility to really get to know each other, and you can even come down and study because it's, as I said, it's very spacious. I like the fact that the room is new because the accommodation is very recently built and it has this very comfy, homey feeling. It's very warm, so it has a sort of insulation, and you only really need to use the heating when it gets very cold outside. One of the Homes for Students staff, Molly, he's on site almost all the time.
Hi, my name is Temple-Baxter. I work for Homes for Students as a sales and marketing executive at the Green in Bradford. So day to day, my role would be doing bookings, making sure that students feel welcome when they do come here. So students do come with parents as well. So I like to give the parents a detailed description on how it is at the Green, what it's like, not just staying at the Green, but staying in Bradford. So you have got the townhouses and you've got the en-suites. So the en-suites, they have cameras located at the doors. Then with the townhouses, you've got also cameras that are at the doors as well. And you've got security, that's over 62 CCTV cameras located around the campus.
They have multiple layers of protection, at least in terms of entering a room. So before you get into the room, you need the key to enter the building if you're in a flat. Then once you enter the building, you need a key to enter the actual flat. And in addition to that, they have people that are close to us all the time. These are the student wardens. And as a student warden, our job is essentially to take care of the students at the Green. On the site, we have a circuit laundry. It's quite a famous university laundry, as everyone knows. And the really good thing about it is that it's cashless, in the sense that you only use a laundry card, which you top up with your PayPal account.
So if you are staying in a townhouse, you'll receive a key like this and your mailbox is outside. So anything that is small mail or any small packages will be delivered by a warden at any point in the day. Dotted around the Green, we've got smoking areas. We put these smoking areas here because we don't want non-smokers to be affected by people who do smoke and have the smell of smoking, and also cigarette butts and all the other things that do come with smoking. Having a garden outside is an absolutely amazing feature for any student halls, and to say that we have that at the Green is very, very good.
The Green and the university is right next to the city centre. And the awesome thing about the city centre is that you have pretty much everything you want there. So you have some nice restaurants that we're all used to, like Nando's and Starbucks. But you also have the National Science and Media Museum. We have some free screenings for movies, like on IMAX screens sometimes.
We hope you choose to stay with us at Homes for Students and look forward to seeing you in the near future.